So my name is Ed Vieser, and I'm the Senior Manager of Professional and Managed Services. For a long time, regional field application engineers have occasionally gotten involved in projects at way more than a pre-sales application engineering role, to the point where they were creating code and commissioning for systems that would be going into production. Lo and behold, those were great experiences. We eventually decided to formalize this concept and take a little bit of what was kind of a secret handshake out of it and put it on a price list and let every Q-SYS dealer know that we've got a dedicated team available to them for your high-impact, repeatable, oftentimes complex Q-SYS use cases.
My name is Hope Roth. I am a professional services engineer. We are not trying to come in and say that we know things, absolutely better than them. You know your client, you know how you like to do things. So we try to work within their process first and foremost.
So we start by reviewing your design and we ask any questions anywhere where we can't into it. And we'll make a recommendation if we should have a dedicated pro services engineer on site or remote. But the real work is then creating the designer file, which is most of the time going to include customized user interfaces.
So the thing that's sort of interesting about AV is the UCI is almost always the afterthought, and it's often created by someone who has no interest in making it. The UCI is how the customer experiences the system. If you upgrade just the color scheme on the touch panel, they will often think that you upgraded the whole room.
And we punch through it aggressively, and we break it and we fix it and we take those notes about what broke first. We introduce all of these discoveries to that end user and their dealer, and we hand that file off.
Our goal is to give you the tools that you can use in your future jobs. Whatever we create, you can use and hopefully go out and make some really great systems for the rest of your customers.
The very best case scenario for Q-SYS is that you like it so much you deploy it 25 more times and we don't even know about it.